joy to my life. Yeah, yeah.
Oh no!
Oh
my God.
Oh baby, tayo ay sumayan.
Oh my God.
Look guys, let's sing my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it guys. Ayan, pag na pag yan. I really love it. And siya guys. Back, 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 back. Ayan, the green color guys. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack. This one guys, the red color. I really love it. Ayan guys. Pack. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan. My fashion for today. Ayan, ready na ako guys sa aking pagrampa. Ayan. Because I really love modeling. Pack, 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 pack. O, diba guys? Ang ganda ng ating color red. Ayan, o, diba? Look guys, the gray color. I really love it. Ayan guys, yung ating pangatlong color ng ating bikini. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. I really love it. O, diba? Ayan siya guys. Rampa. O, diba? Ang ganda ng ating ano guys. Bikini. I really love it. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Pack na pack yan. O, diba? Ayan guys. Ayan. So, that's it for today guys. Ayan yung ating nirarampa ngayon. Ayan yung aking tatlong color ng bikinis. O, diba? Pack na pack yan siya guys. I love it. Guys, flexing my swimsuits for today. And guys, yung ating heels. I really love the heels, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya, guys. My swimsuits for today. Pack. Ayan, feeling model na naman ako, guys. I really love it. I really love it, guys. Pack, 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 pack. I really love it. Ayan guys, yung ating heels. Ayan yung aking pangmalakasang heels, guys. I really love it. Pack na pack. And guys, ayan, dahil feeling model na naman ako. Ayan, welcome kayo guys.